Hey, what's up guys, WRG here with another video, and I recently did a review of the CPR face shield, which is awesome. I think it's great for everyday carry, but if you're a little more serious about saving lives, you definitely might want to consider picking up this one. It's not something that you'll carry with you every day, but maybe something that you could leave in the car and have for emergencies. Again, I recommend that everyone is CPR certified, which is actually called BLS, Basic Life Support, which I have. And the more you could do, the better. There's also other classes you could take, but I think that's more for healthcare professionals like ACLS, which I have, which is Advanced Cardiac Life Support, and PALS, which is Pediatric Advanced Life Support. So this is it. I'll leave links below. You guys can pick this up on Amazon. That's where I got mine. And it's a little bit more serious, and it's a lot more comfortable, and I believe effective than this one. This one, it still works, but I would consider this like the Glock 43, Glock 19, and if you had an ambu bag, that would be the Glock 17 right there. But if not, I think this little kit here should be pretty good. So let's check it out, see what it comes with. So very important here, has some instructions. Shows you how to open it up and how to properly use it. Definitely want to use that facelift. See the operator standing behind the patient, and you want to look for that chest rise, of course. And I could do it with one hand, which is like the C kind of grip. And with these three fingers, you kind of lift up the jaw, and here you're holding the face mask down. Or you could do it with two hands as pictured here. So let's see what it comes with. Move this out of the way. If you guys want to check this out, by the way, I'll leave a card so you guys can check it out. But this is definitely a more serious use right here. This, I believe, is gloves. And they appear to be stained red. I don't know if it's from this. Anyways, I have a bunch of my own gloves. I don't really need these. But, okay, it comes with gloves. And again, you're really not going to be interacting with the patient that much. I picture in most real life scenarios, you're not going to be using the gloves. And let's see how it works. So let's open it up. Okay. So it should have for adults and then pediatric patients and then even infants. So basically you're all set. So this is your infant one right here. And it's very simple. You just put this on top. Make sure you have a good seal. And then you should be good to go. And then for this one, you could just pop it open. There you go. Very simple. And you're on here. And you could just put this over their face. If you can't, you don't have time, you could just kind of move this out of the way and then use it. But either way, it should work pretty well. And you know, you have here your two things. It's very simple. You have here alcohol pads. So if you, after you use it, you could definitely clean it and reuse it. So this is highly recommended, guys. It doesn't cost too much money. I think it was like $8 or $9. Like I said, I'll drop a link below so you guys can check it out. But this is like the real deal. You'll get like a really good seal, and this is how you could perform effective CPR. Also, you can see here, this is closed for now, but you could actually attach oxygen here if you had the equipment, or once EMS arrives, emergency medical services, they could go ahead and add that in. But, you know, pretty cool. As you can see here, it also is labeled infant. And this one is not labeled, but it's pretty obvious that this would be for adults or for adolescents. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is that on the back here, it's very easy to attach like to a bag or something if you wanted to. Also, you could slip it in here. And if you need it for emergencies, you could just rip it away. So they have that Velcro there. So it's kind of like a quick detach. So that's pretty cool. I believe this could like slip into a molly. If you had a molly, if I'm not mistaken, like a bag or whatever it is, you could just slip that in and you could secure it on top if you wanted to. But if not, you could just here and then have it and just pop it right out if you ever needed it. So that's pretty cool. I like the concept behind it, and pretty nice, comfortable, easy to carry bag. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, sub. And like I said, I'll drop links below so you can check it out. And check me out on my B channel, which is Mindset and Tactics. That's just my emergency backup channel. And check me out on Patreon. That's where you can support the channel if you want. If not, it's free. And I'll just be posting like behind the scenes or any extra things, links, cool deals I find, I'll be posting out there. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, sub. Appreciate the support as always. WRG out.